The highest paying game on Rewarded Play isn't a permanent title. The app regularly changes its featured games and reward rates, so the best paying option today may not be the best one a few weeks from now. By the end of this video, you'll know how to identify the games that usually earn the most points, and how to avoid spending hours on games that have already slowed down. Instead of looking for one game that always pays the most, start by opening the Rewarded Play app and checking the featured or recommended game list. Those games are usually the ones the platform wants players to try, which often means they offer stronger rewards than older titles. Next, pay attention to newly added games. Fresh releases often provide better earning opportunities because the platform is encouraging new installs. If you've been playing the same game for a long time, and your points are increasing much more slowly than before, it's usually a sign that it's time to switch. Puzzle games, strategy games, idle games, and casual builders are frequently included in Rewarded Play's library. The exact titles change over time, so focus on the games currently promoted inside the app instead of relying on rankings you found months ago. Another smart habit is comparing several games before committing to one. Install 2 or 3 recommended titles, play each long enough to see whether your points are tracking consistently, and then spend more time on the one that gives you the best progress. This approach helps you avoid getting stuck with a game that rewards very slowly. Don't ignore tracking. Always launch games directly from Rewarded Play instead of opening them from your phone's home screen. If your gameplay isn't being tracked correctly, even the best offer won't reward you properly. It's also worth checking the app every few days. Featured offers rotate, new games appear, and older promotions may disappear. A game that wasn't worth your time last week could become one of the better options after the next update. One common mistake is playing only a single game for weeks. Many users earn more efficiently by rotating into newer recommended games when progress begins to slow. Watching your point balance instead of your playtime helps you recognize when it's time to move on. The key takeaway is that the highest paying games are usually the featured and newly added titles inside Rewarded Play, not necessarily the games that have been popular for months. Check the recommendations regularly, launch every game through the app, and switch when rewards slow down. That simple routine gives you the best chance of earning consistently. If this ranking helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out the next Rewarded Play guide on the channel.